Hey everyone, so this video nearly didn't happen. 2 days ago, I injured my lower back in the gym so spectacularly that I was screaming out for help, and that is not a lie. And it's the perfect way to end 2025, really, isn't it? What I would love, please, is if you could tell me in the comment section what your worst parts of 2025 were and what your best parts were also, and what your aspirations are for 2026. I will read every comment. For me, obviously, that has been the worst part of 2025, no doubt. But the best bit was the amount of love and support that I received. Even today, talking about it, it was the most incredible thing. There are a lot of people to thank, too many for this video, but there are a very select few that genuinely need mentioning. Steve and Sean, Peter and Beverly, Robin and Roy. Between these people, they quite literally surrounded me at a time when I could not cope and protected me. While all these things were happening, they were just ricocheting off of them and I was being protected. I love these people. They are my friends, they are my family, they mean everything to me. I don't know, and I mean this genuinely, how I would have coped without them. Robin, obviously, I have never seen such fierce loyalty in my entire life from anyone. It fills my heart to think about those times. Steve and Sean, Peter and Beverly, oh God, they were phenomenal. And Roy checked on me every single day and came over to make me laugh and keep my spirits up. I love these people. That's what I am thankful for in 2025. And as for 26, I can't wait to share it with you. Let me know in the comment section everything, because I'm going to read them all. Happy New Year, and I'll see you next year. Bye-bye. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Otherwise, 2026 will be shit.